Alright, so what you're going to need for this project is an angle grinder of any sort. I recommend a plug-in to have a little bit more amps, but we'll use this guy. A drill of any sort, a clamp, just to clamp your piece of wood to the table so it doesn't go everywhere on you. And also, the main two things is a spade bit, I guess you would call it. The bigger the better. And also a gouging bit. There are many different types of these online. Pick whatever works best for you. And also your plaque, whatever wood you want to use, probably the softer the better. All right, safety is very important, so gloves and safety glasses are key. We're going to start by making the holes we're going to make in here are dependent on how big the plant is you're going to actually put on your plaque. This guy's pretty small, so I think probably about 7 will do. Let's go for it. Try to get it as centered as possible, maybe even a little bit above the middle of the plaque. All right, now that you got that done, you got your holes, you're actually going to come in with your gouging bit on your angle grinder and just take the rest of the material away, kind of just smooth out the edges. You don't have to get it perfect because you're going to have a plant in there with moss on the edges. So let's go for it. All right, now that you've got that done, I just kind of cleared up the edges, made it deep, got out that middle material. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna want to go probably about 3/4 of the way down of your wood. Have a little bit of wood on the back still left. Yeah, this is probably about a 2-inch slab. I probably went 1 1/4 or 3/4 inch down. Perfect.